Good morning, everyone. This is Josie Marie, and thank you for watching. This morning, we're gonna kick off a day in the life. I've never done this before, so please bear with me, and also do let me know if this is something you would like to see more of. I decided to do this day in the life today because I'm spending most of the day alone. Emmerich went to Gatineau for the day. Today is Friday, so it is a work day. So a lot of the day is going to be working and getting ready to get on the road and go visit my sister and her family in upstate New York. Thanks for spending the morning with me. This is typically how I start my morning. The only difference is that, well, Emmerich is not here. And I had to make my own coffee. I'm spoiled in that he usually makes coffee for me in the morning. But I've spent about almost 2 hours with work right now. So I'm about to have my first morning meeting on Friday. So I'm gonna go ahead and change, throw on some makeup, look presentable, and we'll continue on with the day. I've been working remotely for a while now, since pre-COVID, and I find it that when I have a day of meetings, I like to throw on a blazer. I like to look presentable. I don't know, somehow it makes me feel like I do a better job or more focused when I dress like I'm actually at work. Have you ever experienced this? If you work from home, let me know in the comments. So when I'm doing my makeup during the weekday, with the purpose being that I want to look decent for meetings, it's usually a pretty quick thing. I have timed myself that I can actually do my makeup in 5 minutes if need be, because that's just sometimes all the time that I have between being in my inbox and having to be in a meeting. So I've done it in 5 minutes. I think this may be one of those situations, very quick, just so I can look alive on camera and not like I just woke up from a deep sleep, which is what I feel like I was looking like. A few things that I need to do today. I need to season up this meat. I want to make a beef stew for Emmerich. I'm gonna be gone for the week. I've been making a ton of food for Emmerich, so much that he's actually told me to stop. He's like, I'm good. I'll survive. There's so much food. I'm doing the most, per usual. So one thing I want to do today is make some beef stew and maybe some rice and peas, because he really likes that. I've already made some mac and cheese pie, and half of it is in the freezer and half of it is in the fridge. Don't want him to get bored with eating the same thing every day. I've also made some amandazi. So I'm gonna take some to my sister's. We're gonna take some on the road, but I also left some for him to have for breakfast or just as a snack. What else did I make? I made some cabbage, some vegetables, and we also had some vegetables that his mom made and gave to us. So he should be covered in that department. I don't even want to bake some chicken as well. I told him I would, and he told me not to. So. But we'll see. I also want to hit the gym today. I've only been to the gym once this week, and I really wanted to go 4 times a week. I was getting over a cold, so I really didn't go as much as I wanted to. I think I'm being over ambitious with my plans for today. Totally over ambitious. I don't know if that's all going to happen, but that's my goal. I'll do the best that I can. We're leaving here around 6:30 p.m. So, and I'm working until 6, so I don't know how I'm gonna do it all. We'll figure it out. We're just gonna try to get it done. Of course, I also have to pack. Yeah, pretty busy day ahead. So we are new to this apartment, so we're still getting more furniture, and I still need to decorate. So as more videos come up, you'll definitely be able to see this place transform as I'm taking my time to really make it a home. With that said, my work desk right now is also doubling as my vanity. Doing my makeup while standing in the bathroom is it doesn't cut it for me. I love to be able to sit down, relax, have a coffee while I do my makeup in peace. But anyway, for now, this is what we've got to work with. Before I get back to work, I just want to say that this light has been a game changer for me. So obviously in this station, there's a light above me. So the lighting is really bad when I'm in meetings. So now I just hook it on to either my laptop or my monitor, and I have much better lighting in meetings, and I feel more confident. It's been great. And also I could just take it off and put it on my phone, using it in the cars. I love it. I don't know what took me so long to actually get in this, and I'm sure it's helping with this video right now, pretty sure. Anyway, if you want to get the link for this, I will put it in the description in my Amazon storefront. So make sure you check that out. Perfect. I'm doing like a day in the life vlog. So yeah, about to just do that.
It's funny that you just do that when I'm not there.
I know. I mean, were you gonna get involved? No.
I go hide in the basement.
You go hide in the basement that we don't have? Well, you'll still be in it. It's a whole day. I'll even record stuff like when we're leaving and stuff, so. Know what I mean?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. I love you. You know, busy day over here.
Yeah, I need to call this client, but I'll text you.
Okay. Love you. Bye. I may have very well picked the worst day to do this day in a life. I'm just so busy with work today. It's 1 o'clock and I have not even eaten. I'm so hungry, but thankfully I did cook all that food, so I'm just gonna whip something up. After a few more hours of work, I needed a little mental break, really just to get myself out of thinking about work for 2 minutes. So I just started straightening up in the living room. Again, we are new to this apartment, so I'm still working on getting the place together and decorating. It is super skeletal right now, so I cannot wait to get this place together and really make it feel like a perfect home for us. Oh my God. I know I'm not being very good to myself right now. I know. About 20 minutes ago, I told myself that I was going to take a break. I actually put a time block on my calendar to take a break so I can go work out, do some things around here, get ready to head out because we're going on a road trip and go to New York. But here I am, still working. But it's Friday and Monday there's no work, so I gotta figure it out. I gotta find a balance because these days I've been so swamped. So sorry you're not seeing a lot of me doing different things. This is the day in my life as it is. I have to get back to some more emails. One good thing about today, I'm staying super duper hydrated. I realized the time was getting away from me, so I definitely had to take that hour break. So I did just that and started straightening up in the kitchen. I had already seasoned the beef to marinate for a while, so I figured this was the perfect time to actually get to the cooking because it was about 4:30 p.m. and we had to leave in 2 hours, and I hadn't done a lot of the things that I had set out to do on this day. Oh my God. I had to pack as quickly as possible. I grabbed this book that I'm reading, more on that in another vlog, and I literally just threw whatever I could in my suitcase. The road was pretty chill, but we did have to stop at the border for border control, and once we got into New York, the weather was pretty bad, but Thierry drove well and we made it through safely. So we made it to Watertown, New York. We just spent some time with my sister and my brother-in-law, had a quick bite, quick dinner, and now we're just ready to shower and go to bed. It's been a really long day, work-wise especially. Although it was a long day, it was nice to kind of document the day as I went along, so I kind of like this day in a life thing. Let me know what you think. Should I post more of these? I'm highly considering it. Anyway, thank you so much for spending the day with me. Please connect with me on Instagram. Please subscribe, comment, share, like, whatever. Now I gotta get my night clothes ready because I'm exhausted. So until next time, I'm Josie Marie.